your boy Frank, your original, here with another brand new video on the page. So you guys have been gone for over millions of years basically, so I'm back. Say everybody say video is going to be about how to clean your shoes without using polish, where all those things that they use to clean shoes. So thing I'm talking about here is your Vaseline. This is the Vaseline. So this is power. All those guys that do disgusting things with this. Ew. So what you want to do here is you want to first clean the shoe. Don't mind the shoe. The shoe is all these grandpa shoes. Carry your Vaseline, your wrist Vaseline. This is just it. It's clean. You see, nobody is wonky with this. Nobody. So yeah, this is it. So put like a bit in like different sections of the shoe. Then what you want to do now is basically clean it. That's all. It's that simple.